create a class called person. Create a class called person. Class, person, and a colon. Very good. I'm not interested in creating any class level variables. I want to create a constructor. So how do I create a constructor? I type def, then what do I type after that? 2 underscores, init, 2 underscores. What am I missing on line 6? Self, right? Okay. And if I want to pass any parameter, I could also add that. For example, name. Now, how do I initialize name to a value of the name? How do I initialize the property name with the parameter name? Looking at our previous example, how did we initialize it? Self dot property equals to parameter. So the name of the parameter and name of the property are matching. So same deal. Self dot name equals to name. Create a method hi, or I should say greet, and greet by name. Create a method greet and greet by name. So let's create a method called greet, and we have to remember to always pass self, and we now need to greet by saying print hello. I should say hello. And that completes my class. Simple class. Now let's create instance of the class. How do we create a class instance? Let's go back to our previous example and let's scroll down. The instance name equals to and the constructor. So instance name equals to and a constructor. My constructor requires me to pass one value, unlike the previous example that required the constructor to pass 2 values. And here I go and call the constructor. So you always do the instance name first, dot, and here you have the greet. And let's run it. And here we have, hello, Aaron. How are you?